So guys, just making a vid on my new zipper I bought. It's really cool. You can see the swirl inside it, like engraved inside. And yeah, it's real zipper made in '03. Just a standard like rainbow thing at the back. Really cool zipper. I really like it. I just bought it like off eBay, brand new. So yeah, it's like really nice zipper. Really cool. So yeah, it's awesome. I bought it for like only like $18. Luckily won that bid. So also came with a pretty cool case. Oh, it's called a Spectrum Swirl or something. So yeah, it came with like Harley Davidson zippo case and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And there's random shit. So yeah, thanks for watching my vid.